Hello YouTube, this is Off Grid Gary. You know, we've been talking about solar generators, and I've been building this one here in particular for the past few weeks. We've been giving it a lot of use and just haven't really done a video on the use yet, and we're going to do a video on use. As you can tell, I put LED lights on this thing. They're 18 watts each. We put USB ports for charging cell phones, computers, laptops, tablets, that kind of thing. And it works. They got a pair of cigarette lighter plugs, and actually we were supposed to get one that had a volts gauge in it, but it didn't come with it. I don't know why. That was something I did through eBay. But I did put a volts gauge on it, and it's in the charge controller. These charge controllers here aren't real expensive, but you see my battery's 13 volts. I do have a 110 charger. This can stay in the house and charge with this, or I have a solar panel that goes to it as well. I have a 240 watt solar panel that I also put on this. But today we're going to do a test. Today's test is going to be, I got a big side-by-side refrigerator, and I have a 55-inch flat screen TV. And we're going to run both of them at the same time with this. As you can see, I've got my extension cord plugged into my refrigerator, and of course, ignore the messy old refrigerator. This is the old side-by-side. And this is my 55-inch flat screen TV. I'm going to flip the switch, and you can see my orange cord for the refrigerator, and this is for my TV. We're going to flip it on. The refrigerator's running already. Let me get my remote. And we're going to power up the refrigerator. I mean the TV set here.
Now notice Peter, because we...
Okay. Let me get some channels here that are...
To give you more power, more control, and more...
I don't know what FCC allows for viewing a TV set, but you can see this thing is running just fine. We have a refrigerator going, and we have a TV set going. And batteries are still looking just fine. I can tell you right now, if a guy used this conservatively, he could run his lights, he could run his refrigerator, and he could run his TV. And I don't have a solar panel hooked to this at all. See, I got the lights on. This is not plugged into the solar panel or the battery charger that I have for it, that's sitting right here on the corner of the table. You see this thing's working. The TV's working. And I'll go open the freezer door up so you can see it. And you can see the freezer is working. And you can see the light on, you can see it working. And as you can see, the refrigerator was working just fine. The TV is running just fine. And I'm not going to do a video on how long it's going to last, but I can tell you the refrigerator would run most likely all night with no issues whatsoever. If I actually put this outside and put a solar panel on it during the day, I could run it all day and probably run it all night at the same time. And, you know, this is just a small one. I can build these in any size, whether it's on a trailer or something you're going to throw in the trunk of your car. I was thinking about doing it with lithium ions on this particular one, the 18650s, but I really got to thinking on that, and I wanted something I know that was going to be safe. So I got some AGM batteries and put in this. The box is vented, even though you can't see it. I had people say, oh, the box isn't vented, you got a problem. Well, actually the box is vented. There is electric fans and everything. You can see I've got vent holes. I've used this thing quite a bit. I haven't had any problem powering anything. I've run my alignment system on it that I have in my shop. We haven't got it hot yet, and you can see TV still running. And you know the refrigerator's still running. I got my power cord there. So you can see this thing really does work. And it's, you know, it's not pulling the batteries down to speak of whatsoever. This thing would run for, I could run this probably most of the day if I really wanted to, with no problems. But I'm already off grid, so I don't worry about losing power to start with. So when you're off grid like I am, you don't worry about the power going out. But with this little package right here, you could have this in your apartment, your house, whatever, and if power goes out, you just plug it in and keep going. Have a great day. Bye.